Yeah, hi, this is Raman here. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. So initially, 2 years back, so I am suffering from, I was suffering from some pain, so backside, anal area. So I feel like, it's getting swell. So I went to nearby hospital. They said like, it's like fistula, but I don't know what is fistula initially. But I have gone to some videos, like, I thought like, okay, it will happen in this anal area or something like that. So they have done initial abscess removal, and they have done it with a small procedure. So after that, everything I thought like everything became okay, but later it's again giving pain. So I went to hospital there again. So wherever they have done abscess removal. They said like so abscess removal itself is not a curing of the actual issue. So you have to do actual surgery for the fistula. So initially I have googled a lot of I keep on searching Google, so which is better like that. So on final day I keep on searching, and I didn't find much better thing, better hospital, better something. Didn't find, but when I am sitting aside and YouTube is keep on playing. So in that I have seen suddenly Healing Hands logo, something is running. So I have seen Dr.Ashwin sir. So he's talking about something about this wound, fistula and all or something like that. So for me he's like a god. So after seeing that, I have browsed all the videos in the Healing Hands page, YouTube page. So I realized like okay, it will be maybe it's a better place for me to get rid of this issue. So I came here. So after seeing this atmosphere, it's like human. So whatever that their restriction, in the room service, the cleanness and guidance, their care about once after done surgery, even I went home. They are follow up is most important, like that Ashwin sir mentioned. So the same thing they have followed. They used to call every 3 weeks. So how is your health? How are you doing? Like that I used to call, and it's haunt for me. So because and face this kind of honor earlier. So yeah, now I think it's fourth review for me. So I'm completely alright now. So thanks to Ashwin sir.